How to create a blend text effect in Photoshop. Start by selecting the text tool and type anything you like. Right-click on the text layer and choose Blending Options. In the Blending Options panel, look for the Blend If sliders. Drag the sliders to adjust the blending effect. Hold down the Alt key while dragging the slider to split it for a smoother transition. Once you're happy with the blend, click OK. You can double-click the text at any time to edit or change it. That's it. Thanks for watching.